All right, everyone, welcome to the first of the triangle tessellations. We're going to show you how a triangle can be tessellated and then talk a little bit about what that can teach us. So, if you look at this triangle, there's one side that we need to move to another side. So, any cuts we make from this side, if we rotate that around, are going to end up being added on to the other side over here. And the same thing is true for the bottom. So whatever changes we make here, in this case, I'm going to add a little bit on, which of course will have to have come from a cut made in the other side. And so when you click on the shape button after you've made all the rotations, you can see how the green side here translates over to the green side there, and the red side here translates to the red side there. And that's all because of this line of reflection that we have going down the middle of our shape. That kind of tells us where everything is moving from and to. It crosses that line of reflection and it ends up on the other side. And so this is a tessellatable shape. You can see it tessellates without any overlaps or gaps, and that's what we know is the standard for if a shape can tessellate a plane. Now, don't feel limited by just this one shape. You can do it physically, or you can also come to the second linked um, page where you have a little bit more control. You can change as much as you'd like. I know it's hard to get curves on this because they're all done entirely through straight lines, but you can sort of modify it and be careful you don't overlap here. You can kind of see there's an overlap. That's not okay, but you can definitely change this up, and as long as you don't have major overlaps, like it looks like kind of like I made a monkey looking thing. It looks like I can make my shape, and then when I click tessellate, there it is. It's tessellated. So you can use this page to help you make a new shape. You can kind of round those straight lines out if you want to with a pencil and work from there. But then take this and either take a screenshot of it and print that off, and then illustrate it, or you can use it as an example, or use a physical copy presented on the next couple sheets to finish out the rest of your stuff. So that's one of the ways you can tessellate a triangle. We're going to look at some of the others. You can kind of see how they all rotate around a certain point, and that's a critical